Thought I would do a little sewing vlog and take you guys along, share some exciting things that are going on, some brands and items that I have been loving lately. If you're new here, my name is Maya. I teach sewing. I have sewing inspiration, DIY tutorials, and I just love all things creative, lifestyle, motherhood now. So make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go follow me on social media at MayaKMade. So this month my son turns 1, so we are gonna go camping. So that's a exciting trip that we have planned. It's also John's birthday. It's also Lucky's birthday. Everybody's birthday except for mine in August. Another exciting thing that's happening this month is I'm going to be doing another in-person sewing workshop. I haven't done one for a while since I had Leo, so I'm really excited to get back into teaching people how to sew. I also just opened up one for September and there's still a few spots, so if you want to join, I'll put the details down below for you to sign up and save your seat. First, I wanted to share this handmade tote bag that I made from a thrifted pillow sham. Everybody loved it on Instagram and TikTok, and I had a lot of comments asking for the tutorial. So I am on the hunt for you guys to find a pillowcase to do a tutorial. Another thing I found while thrifting is this really beautiful white pinstripe blazer and matching skirt from Brooks Brothers. It's a very high quality suit, but somebody decided to take off all of the buttons, but that is totally fine because we can put some buttons back on it. I love this pleat detail on the back of the skirt. It'll be a really nice blazer to dress up or down. I tried it on with some jeans and it was really, really cute. So I will have to find some cute little buttons to put back on the front and on the sleeves. I just love thrifting and being inspired of what I could do with everything in there. I also found this massive towel at the thrift store. I'm thinking of either making it into a cute little beach dress or a hooded poncho for the beach. Another project that I've been working on since we moved is organizing my closet. I like to fold more of my clothes than hang them, so it has this weird little angle corner. This little cube shelf will do for now. It's just nice to have a organized space. So on the left side, I've got all of my overalls, then I have all of my jeans, I have other heavier pants, my denim jorts. I love my jorts. And then I've got some more dressier pants. These are all of my knits and then all of my basics. I really love good basic pieces. Then I've got more flowy pants. Most of these I've actually made other than maybe 2 or 3. And then on the other side, I've got some more comfier pants, pajamas, t-shirts, and sweatshirts. A lot of these pieces hanging up are ones that I have made. This one was from a crochet tablecloth a few years ago, some dresses, bedsheet dresses, and then I'm really trying to put away heavier clothes. I tend to get overwhelmed looking at my clothes when really I'm not going to wear these during the summer, and it just takes more time to go through all of them trying to figure out what I want to wear. And then when I go back to them, it's like shopping. The other side of the closet is a little chaotic since moving, so bear with me. But I did order a shelf from IKEA that I think is going to help stay organized with all my craft supplies, all my sewing machines. It's gonna be great. I did take out my Cricut maker and I haven't used this thing in a while, but I love my Cricut so much. I was helping a girlfriend cut out some vinyl decals for branding and I love those projects. Okay, I wanted to show you guys these new phone cases that I just got in the mail. The left one I customized. I designed it on Canva. And then the other one is a design that they have on their website. They are from Pella. I think they're so cute. And then I've been getting a lot of questions on this necklace that I customized from Haiz. That far right picture is Leo's passport picture. I can't. Okay, if you love the smell of jasmine, you have to get this. I've always loved the time of year when the jasmine bushes bloom, and this smells exactly like it. Another thing I wanted to share that I thought was so cool are these gel nails that cure in the sun. They were so easy to put on. They are from Hey Hey. One of my girlfriends shared it on Instagram, and I thought these berry ones were so cute. Another brand that I have been loving so much is LA Relax. All of the pieces are made from organic fibers and they're all made in LA. I love how timeless and chic these pieces are, and I am a sucker for basic good quality pieces. Here's a little try on haul that I shared on Instagram of the pieces that I just got. These brown linen pants are my new favorite. Some sewing projects that I have going on. This one I am so excited about. We were going camping for Leo's first birthday, and I wanted to make a happy birthday banner to hang up on the tent. I could use this over and over each year. I got some bias binding to use as the string. I found all of these cute cotton prints at Hobby Lobby. I think they go really well together. I tried to get some different colors and prints. I will have a few of each of them because I will spell out happy birthday. I also found the denim because I want to cut the letters out of it, and I think it'll look really good on all of these prints. So that is going to be a fun tutorial for you guys. I always try to buy fabric when it's on sale, and I got a 1/4 yard of each cotton fabric and a 1/2 yard of the denim. Another sewing project that I have is making a tote bag out of one of these fabrics to show my sewing students what they are going to make. I had so much fun sourcing these fabrics for my workshop, and I can't wait to teach in person again. So that is what I have been up to. I hope you guys like this kind of video. I could possibly make more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media.